This is the eBay LED lights turning on. So as you can see, there's a little glare that pops up on the top there. At night it's very, very distinct because it lights up a little too bright. Doesn't look too bad on the car. And the brand of these are Cat and Bow LEDs, but you can hear they're loud. So that's those. Alright, these are the halogen bulbs, the stock bulbs. The tape marks that I have there were from the LEDs, the eBay LEDs. So I'm going to go ahead and turn on the halogens to see where the cutoff is. So as you can see, the halogen cutoff is way below the LED ones, the eBay LEDs, those cat and bow ones, hence the blinding of people. So I'm going to retape the bottom, and that's going to be my reference for the Diode Dynamics SL1 H11 LED bulbs. So, okay, got the Diode Dynamics SL1 headlights put on. So here goes nothing. And there it is. They're both on. So if you recall, the top tape pieces that are up there were from the eBay LEDs. The bottom tape parts over there were from the halogen, stock halogen ones. So as you can see here, left side is right on the money. Right side is just a little off, so I'm gonna have to adjust it. So as you can see, there's a little bit of flicker. I don't know if you can notice that. I have the error, what do they call it? The CAN bus anti-flicker stuff adapters from Diode Dynamics on order, so they should be here soon. So that'll alleviate that. But this is definitely better than the eBay LEDs and the halogens. I mean, this is a lot better looking. Perfect engineering as far as not having it glare all over the place. It is amazing what they come up with, and definitely worth the money. And they look great inside the halogen housing. Even standing right here, it's not glaring anywhere. I mean, it looks great. So highly recommend it. The SL1 Diode Dynamic H11 headlamps. They look great. I try to change the white balance, but as you can see, it's amazing. It's perfect. Enjoy.